Hello viewers, welcome to Kfami Technologies Private Limited. We provide best of our software solutions for growing your business online. Today's topic is about payment gateways. All of our clients ask many type of queries regarding payment gateways, like how do we get payment online, what is payment gateway, what are the charges, and if I am having clients out of India or out of my country, how we will get a nice payment gateway, what are the documents required, so all these type of questions. We will be solving all these questions today. So first of all, I want to tell you, if you are going online, whatever business you want to have, there must be a process of paying money and getting money. So if you are doing business, like if you are having a shop, if you are giving any service, so there is transaction of money. So your clients or your customers are paying you for the services you provide. So for this problem, payment gateways come into action. We connect your bank account, your personal or company. If you are having a savings account or you having a corporate current account, that will be connected to your website, but it cannot be connected directly. We require a payment gateway, which is a middle person who collects the payment for your customer or client and paybacks to your bank. So that is a payment gateway. But the payment, you don't get payment at the time they pay you. It will require 1 or 2 business days for the settlement into your bank account. Also, we suggest to have a payment gateway on your website or mobile app, because lots of people are having hobby of credit cards, but credit cards don't give you cash in hand. So they require some swipe machines or terminals, POS terminals, or a website to send the money, because they can, if your service is costly, they can pay in EMIs, but you require a payment gateway. So that's why we suggest you for having a payment gateway. So what is the process of having the payment gateway? You have to provide your very few documents, like your bank account number and your bank account statement. If we also, some of the payment gateway require cancel checks, along with your Aadhaar card number if you're from India, and these all documents are country specific. You have to tell us which country are you from. After that, we can help you for asking the documents for your country. Then you will provide that document and we will give you a payment gateway in 2 to 7 working days. Some of the payment gateways require written agreement, so that takes 7 to 10 business days, and some of the payment gateways give you approval by just sending the documents online. They will take just 2 to 4 business days. So it's very much easy. So the next question my clients ask, that do we have to give any commission on the sales? The answer is no. You will not have to give any commission on your sales, but you have to pay a minimal fee of 2% on the transaction amount your clients are paying you. Just this is 2%, or some of the payment gateway charges a little higher, and on the digital products it's very much higher. But if you are selling a product or giving a service in physically, then it's around 2%, 2 to 3%. But there is also a confusion in my clients that arise if a foreign person makes a payment to their website. For example, you are from India, like we are from India, and one of our clients wants to pay their annual maintenance fee from US or UK or Dubai. They have their card in their native currency, like in dollars or in pounds or in dirham. so they will be using their card with their native currency, but my bank account or our company bank account is in Indian rupees, so there will be difference of currencies, so they will be charging currency conversion charges. All the payment gateways charges 5% of currency conversion charges, so the total charge becomes 7%. 2% is the transaction charge, 5% is the currency conversion charge if the client currency is different from the website owner's bank account. So these are total 7%, but the charges are still, I'd say the charges are very minimal, because we are getting a wave of getting payments from more from out of your country. So if we are getting a good service, so we have to pay, and these all charges are of the payment gateways. So we don't charge anything. All the charges are included in the package of connecting the payment gateway out to your website. So it's a very minimal charge, because it gives us the opportunity to expand our business in all over the world. So I still say the charge is minimal. So these are the charges for payment gateways. But if you are having a good relation with your bank, like banks also provide payment gateways. We call them first party payment gateway. And if we go get payment gateway from any middle person, so that we call third party payment gateways, like PayPal, 2Checkout, Skrill are examples of third party payment gateway. And in India, ICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, these provide payment gateways and known as first party payment gateways, because these are directly provided by the banks, and also their charges are very less than the third party payment gateways. But the process is not easy for getting a first party payment gateway. It requires a very long time, and after that there is a documentation process, and they give you some conditions. Also they charge for the payment gateway. So that's why we suggest that starting with the third party payment gateway is easy and fast. So we must start with third party payment gateway. If your business goes very large scale, you can apply for first party payment gateway. So that's all for today for payment gateways. If there is still a query in your mind, you can write us a comment in the comment box. So we are waiting to help you, and share this video among your friends who want to go online, and subscribe to our channel for future videos. And if you want to have your own website or mobile application, or you want to get a payment gateway integrated to your system, just give us a call. The how to contact link is in the description. We are waiting your call. Have a nice day.